Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab S9 FE, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the general management. Now let's scroll down and tap on reset. And let's scroll down again. As you can see right here in this section, we've got reset network settings, so this is the option we're looking for. Let's tap on it. Here your device is informing you that it will reset network settings, including those for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So be aware that you cannot do it separately, only Wi-Fi combined with the Bluetooth. So let's tap on reset settings if you're ready. And here, of course, we've got also the information that this operation cannot be undone. So if you're ready, tap on reset. And as you can see, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset the network settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.